Hey there, thanks for joining us and taking some time to check out SACO AEI Polymers. My name's Alicia and I am here with Mike McCormick, the Business Unit Manager at SACO AEI. And today we're just going to be going through various segments that highlight SACO AEI Polymers' virtual support technology and website tools. So Mike, can you just kind of give us an overview quick of how this all came to be?
Sure. It's always been a reality of the business world that most of our business is done face-to-face with customers. Up until now, that's been done over the phone, but mostly in visits to customer locations. Usually this takes a lot of planning and expense, and sometimes results in more than just one meeting or trip to get the job done. Many workers in the sales function especially work out of our homes today. We live near airports and are constantly on trips to conduct our business. However, since the beginning of the pandemic, not only have salespeople been limited in our ability to contact and meet with customers, but the customers themselves have not been able to work from their plants or offices. Video conferencing programs like Zoom and Microsoft Teams have exploded in use, as have webinars, virtual trade shows, and secure document transmission. At SACO AEI, we recognize this and have taken steps to make it easier for our customers to do business with us through technology. In this video, we will highlight a few of the things that we've done to keep on the leading edge of this technology to make it easier for our customers to do business with us.
In 2020, SACO AEI Polymers had over $200 million in net sales. We employed 280 people across 4 manufacturing plants. I manage one of our 6 business units through which we manufacture or distribute 14 families of products. We deliver these to customers in 48 countries around the world. Our core values include creating long-term success with a spirit of ingenuity and a commitment to deliver for our customers. We are privately owned, people-led, and our customers appreciate that about us. This shows the 6 business units I mentioned and the various product families we deliver. They include the trade names Paxidan and Thermodan in the USMCA and international, Paxidan and Capsidan in pipe and capstocks, Suli, JavaChem, and Fine Blend as distributed products in North America, XR Sheet and XR Tough in substrates, Armadan impact modifiers, Lixidan coupling agents, and Xfinity FR master batches are produced in our plants in the U.S.
Our website is at the core of our communications tools for customers to use to search and find the right products. We spent a lot of time in the last couple of years developing a website that's very customer focused.
And now you're actually going to jump into a demo of that website search function that is on your website.
Here you see the homepage of our website, saco-distribution.com. We've made it very easy to search if you're a customer, and I'll demonstrate several of the ways that you can search through the website. First of all, we've found that our customers are generally divided into 3 categories: process engineers, scientists and inventors, and then the procurement function. So if you're, let's say, a process engineer, you can click on Process Engineer, and it will talk a bit about how our products increase productivity, and you can click on that to browse our products. But if you have a specific issue that we've seen that's common in this industry, you can click on it. That would be increasing line speed, eliminating die drool, or improving surface appearance. So let's click on increase line speed and reduce cycle time. So here we've done a pre-search to land on the additives that give a better cycle time and processing line speed. So you can select the product here. Let's say you're going to select this 1 kilogram bag of this material, and then it will take you right to that product's site where you can learn more information about that. And you can order the product directly from the website. So let's go back to the home page, and I'll show you another way that you can search. You can just browse the products. You can click here to do that. So on the left side, you'll see the search criteria. So let's say that you're in the electronics industry. So I'll click that. You can see the selection narrows down a little bit as you select each variable. Let's say you're using applications using polypropylene. So I select that. And the benefit you're looking for is flame retardancy. So you apply those search filters, and that takes you right to these products from our supplier partner, Sully. And let's say you select the Sully Flamoon 1090A in a 1 kilogram bag quantity. And again, it takes you right to that page where you can order that product. Back to the home page, we see that you can go up to the top and search via drop-down menus. So let's say you're looking for a compatibilizer. Click on that, go over to the criteria. Let's reset the filters. And the base resin, let's say you're looking for is PET. And the benefits that you're looking for are impact strength, and let's choose improve heat distortion. Apply those filters. And it takes you to Fine Blends SAG products 05 and 008. The difference in 05 and 08 is the degree of reactability. You can find that as you drill down into that product. And here you select, let's say we'll select 05 and 1 kilogram. So from here on out, it's looking at the product, looking at the price, the description, and then you can actually order the product from the screen. Put it in your shopping cart. So go back to the home page, look at the Resource Center. From there, you can pick up any of the SDSs or TDSs for any of the products that you're looking for. And you can also look at our video library. It's a collection of technical videos and videos that talk about applications with any of these products. So that's pretty much it for the overview of the search function.
All right, Mike, thank you for showing us that demo of the site. And now tell me a little bit about your live chat feature.
Yeah, with this searchable website, we built in a live chat function. And it helps you if you get stuck, you have a problem, or you want to ask a more detailed question. And you just click on that live chat and it'll take you right to someone who's manning that in real time.
Okay, and we actually have a clip we're going to go ahead to now for you to learn a little bit more.
Okay, well, we're really excited about this live chat feature. It allows a customer to chat live with someone at SACO AEI Polymers in real time. This feature will put you in touch with someone during normal business hours, maybe a little beyond or before, but it's usually going to be manned. The person on the other end can help you with searching for your product needs, technical recommendations if you're searching for products. We can guide you through the ordering process, which we now have in place. We can help you with entering your credit card information for your shopping cart and give you information on delivery.
Yeah, so we're seeing your website right now. People can go on there and they'll see it right down in the right-hand corner. So I'll go ahead and let you talk about how that goes from that moment.
Okay. Once you enter the website, you'll see that chat box pop up asking if you need any help. If you choose to ignore it, it'll go away. But if you choose to enter a question or otherwise engage with a live chat, someone will answer that shortly. And then you'll be contacted with us directly to interact with you. The discussion will be live in the dialog box. You can get a quick answer to your ordering questions or anything else you want to talk to us about.
So tell me about some of the other advantages other than just the fact that it's quick and right there.
Yeah, it helps make the ordering process easier. It guides you through. It's very similar to the other shopping carts you see on the internet, but this live chat can help you with the process. It gives developmental customers the ability to interact with us on an anonymous basis to discuss their application if they'd like. If the customer wishes, they don't need to give up proprietary information on the application being worked on. They can just talk about the product. They don't have to tell us who they are or the end use. This is not only a good idea for a small client, but for larger clients who have a question on materials and the ability to get an answer without going through a gauntlet of questions before signing up for an account or giving up information just to get a sample. We've also built into our website the ability to take orders via credit card. We've made sure that we have a secure function to do that. We call this new website feature Touchless Ordering. In these days of people staying at home and being quarantined but still needing to do work, we want to make it easier for them to be able to search for product, get samples, buy product. And we do this with the new website feature where we can transact business via credit card. We call it the touchless system. Some customers don't want to give up information on their application, either for confidentiality or competitive reasons. And small companies have a lot to lose if they give up a lot of information to a large company just to get a sample or buy a small amount. So this system allows them to do that with very little interaction. Our new website allows the development chemist to search for his additive that best fits his needs by the system it will be used in, the category of performance that he's looking for, the benefit that he's looking for, and a sample size that he needs. Once the search is done and the materials are identified, a purchase can be made online via credit card. The order will be confirmed. The delivery will be communicated back to the customer via our customer satisfaction group, and no credit card information will be stored. No information on the application need to be divulged on the website to get the sample. We also have a live chat function that's available to help with the process if needed. Customers can order flat rate shipping or can use their own shipping account to get the material to them. The order will be confirmed immediately, and then shipping will be confirmed later via an email from our customer satisfaction group.
So tell me why you guys thought that this system, this touchless system, would be so beneficial for your customers.
Well, it gives our small developmental customers the ability to order small amounts or purchase samples without giving up this proprietary information on the application being worked on. Sometimes there's confidentiality issues that they can't reveal their application to the supplier, and this allows a way of doing that and protecting their anonymity. The credit card purchasing has been requested sometime since our website was first live. So it's not only a good idea for the small client, but for larger ones who want small amounts of material and the ability to get it without going through a gauntlet of questions, and signing up for an account and giving up information or proprietary data on their application. So we want to make it as easy as we can for the customer. He can go in, order, get his questions answered, and ask for additional help if he needs it. Now, finally, some customers need the ability to receive help in processing new materials. We put together a program to virtually assist them in doing this. So I'll introduce to you now Emily Verbinski, who will talk a little bit about the virtual assistance program.
So I'm an application development engineer for SACO Polymers, and one of the things that we pride ourselves in is our processing support and our technical support that we offer our customers. So normally we offer in-person processing support for trials, processing issues, anything like that a customer may be dealing with. And we have application development leaders designated for each customer individually and are available all the time whenever a trial needs to be scheduled. And having our engineers in the plant allows for real-time advice and quick changes to improve processing and optimize processing conditions. But with the pandemic that is ongoing, we have suspended all employee travel in order to keep our employees safe and to keep our customers safe. So we're trying to limit as much person-to-person contact as we can, always keeping safety as our number one priority. So we've introduced virtual support, and we want to be able to be in the plants as much as possible with our customers, so we have to do that virtually. So we've invested in some tablets that can be used by customers to connect with us virtually from the plant floor, so we can be there at the trial without having any in-person contact. So what to expect during a virtual trial if you set one up. Before the trial, you would choose, if you wanted to use one of our devices, and you would receive an iPad in the mail with logon instructions included. Another option is to use your own device. We connect through Microsoft Teams, so it can work on any type of device that you have. And then a meeting would also be set up prior to the day of the trial in order to discuss the details of the run. On that day, an all-day meeting would be set up on Microsoft Teams, allowing the customer's employees to log in and out at any time with questions or updates, or they could stay on all day with the SACO team. And a SACO application development leader would also be on the call for the entirety of the run. So you wouldn't have to get our attention anyway. We would just be there, logged on for you to log on with any questions. And there will also be a trial sheet that's filled out by the application development leader in order to keep detailed notes and with assistance from your employees to document and detail every step of the process. And then after the trial, there would of course be a follow-up meeting to discuss any testing results from the trial run and assign any further actions. And then if you borrowed one of our devices, a return label is included, so it's really easy to ship it right back to us at your convenience. That's pretty much how that works. So if you would like to set up a virtual trial with us, you can either contact me, Emily Verbinski, or our other application development leader, Dale Zazotek.
So as you can see, SACO AEI appreciates that our customers want a new way to do business. We built a website platform that allows them to easily search and find the right product for their application and to access live help in doing so. They can enter orders online and pay for them via credit card, then access virtual assistants at any time in the future when they're running the products. These capabilities have all been driven by the state-of-the-art in website development and security, but most importantly, they were needed because of the new way of doing business after the COVID-19 pandemic.
Okay, Mike, well, thank you so much for joining me today and walking us through all of those different features. And thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in getting in contact with SACO AEI Polymers, please make sure that you're checking out their website, you're calling, and you can even send an email to info@sacoaei.com. You can also reach Mike directly at his email right there on the screen. Thank you so much.